Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 31st, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from United States Steel. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. United States Steel, a leading steel producer, has just released its fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. There's a lot to unpack, from their financial performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. United States Steel reported net sales of $3.509 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024. However, they also reported a net loss of $89 million. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Certainly. The net sales figure represents a decline from the previous year, reflecting a challenging pricing and demand environment. Despite this, the adjusted EPS of -13 was better than the forecasted -29, indicating some resilience in their operations.
That's interesting. What factors contributed to this better-than-expected EPS?
The company benefited from cost performance improvements, particularly in the North American flat-rolled segment, and increased volumes in the mini-mill segment. These factors help mitigate the impact of lower average selling prices.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, United States Steel reported an adjusted EBITDA of $190 million for the fourth quarter. How did they achieve this, John?
The company focused on cost control and operational efficiencies, particularly in their North American flat-rolled and mini-mill segments. The mini-mill segment, for instance, delivered an 8% EBITDA margin, aided by initial shipments from their new Big River 2 mill.
Looking ahead, what is the company's outlook for the first quarter of 2025?
United States Steel expects adjusted EBITDA to be between $100 million and $150 million. They anticipate challenges in the flat-rolled segment due to seasonal logistics constraints, but expect improvements in the mini-mill segment as shipments from Big River 2 ramp up.
Strategic initiatives and leadership commentary. John, let's discuss the strategic initiatives highlighted in the report. What are some key developments?
One of the major highlights is the commencement of initial shipments from the Big River 2 mill in December. This is part of a $4 billion transformational growth investment. The CEO, David B. Burritt, expressed optimism about generating positive free cash flow in 2025, driven by volume and capability growth in the mini-mill segment.
How has the market reacted to these strategic moves?
The market has responded positively, especially with the excellent customer feedback on the BR2 product quality. This positions United States Steel well for future growth and operational strength.
Key takeaways. In summary, United States Steel faced a challenging fourth quarter but managed to outperform EPS expectations. Their strategic initiatives, particularly the Big River 2 mill, are set to drive future growth. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
United States Steel is navigating a tough market environment with strategic investments and operational efficiencies. While there are challenges, their focus on innovation and cost control could offer long-term value to investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on United States Steel's performance in the comments below.